Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas at mabuhay ang lahat ng Pilipino saang dako man ng mundo. Taas noo tayo kahit kanino. Nandito ako ngayon guys sa MRT station dito sa Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. At ito pa rin guys yung footbridge po dito. Ginagawa pa rin po, kung makikita nyo po yung nakakulay asul kanina, yun po wini-welding pa rin po yung hagdanan niya. Kasi mula po dito sa bus na kulay dilaw, pumupunta po yung mga kababayan po natin dito para tumawid. At nakakadisgrasya po yun, kaya gumawa po sila ng footbridge. Pero hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin siya natapos pa. Yan naman po yung antena ng ABS-CBN Channel 2. Yung mataas na antena po. Yan po yung antena ng ABS-CBN. Yan po yung footbridge guys, yan. At yung mga bus na yan, dito po sila pumupunta para tumawid po yung mga kababayan natin pag oras po ng mga alas 4 po ng madaling araw, alas 5, ganyan po. At mabibilis po yung mga sasakyan dyan, kaya marami pong nadidisgrasya po dyan. Kaya sana matapos na po yung footbridge. Yan naman po yung MRT Quezon Avenue. Yan po, kung mapapansin po natin, wala pong halos traffic po ngayon dito kasi umaga pa lang po guys. Yan, wala pa yung mga rush hour. Yan, pag mga pasukan sa trabaho at uwian sa trabaho, talagang sobrang traffic po talaga. Yan, kaya yan po yung lane ng northbound. May 5 lane yata ito guys, or 4 na lane. Yan po yung mga carousel bus lane po. Naghihintay po sila ng mga pasahero po, biyaheng Caloocan, yan, Monumento, yan po, Bagong Baryo Caloocan, yan, SM North. Yan po yung biyahe ng kulay dilaw ng mga bus carousel lane guys, yan po. At yung kabila naman po, southbound po yan, papunta po Cubao, Krami, yan, Ortigas. Yan po naman po yung kabila, yun yung southbound. Tayo, nandito po tayo sa northbound guys. Yan po yung mga motorista po ngayon. Yan, mga 4 wheels po, mga riders po. Yan po, hindi pa masyadong traffic ngayon, maluwag pa po. Yan na po yung mga MRT guys. Yan, hanggang din nilang panoorin yung mga MRT po dito sa Metro Manila. Yan po, nagkasalubong po sila guys, yung dalawang MRT. Yan, at sobrang napakaganda po yung mga tanawin po dito, yung mga nagtataasan po at naglalaki ang mga building po ng mga call center. Yan, kaya ang gandang pagmasdan po. Yan, sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan na hindi pa po nakakapunta ng Manila guys, sana mapanood nyo po ito para maipamiliarize nyo rin po ang Quezon Avenue dito sa MRT, sa kayan po ng carousel. Yan po yung footbridge guys, sana matapos na yan. At yan po yung mga building po na matataas, mga call center, mga condominium po. Yan po yung kulay asul guys. Yan, may gumagawa po dyan, wini-welding po yan nila guys, yung hagdanan nya. Yan po yung mga motorista guys, hindi traffic. Yan po, si Dingdong Dantes naman po yung nasa billboard guys. Yan, yung mga building na matataas, ang gandang pagmasdan. Tara na guys, panoorin po natin yung latest update po dito sa Quezon Avenue MRT station dito sa carousel bus lane po. Yan,
he's from Boston, Massachusetts, but he dresses like a cowboy, plays open chords and a little lead guitar. He's always dreamed of Nashville, though he knows that it's a gamble. that he's all in to win and be a star. They sing songs about a hard life, working on a farm, struggling to survive the summer heat. But he'll be the first to tell you he ain't never drove a tractor. The fields are full where he's from with concrete, but he sings it from his heart and he feels it in his soul. He's proud to sport his cowboy hat and boots. It don't matter where he came from, it's about his state of mind. He's living through those 3 chords and the truth. She's determined that the song she sings are longing to be heard. She's left her steady job at the boutique, and for the rat race of the bar scene and the struggle to stand out, scraping by on just her tips and stubborn street. And all her old friends question why she left her life behind. They figure she's just full of foolish pride. But if she ever gave up on her art or on her dreams, it would only eat her up inside. She sings it from her heart and she feels it in her soul, and all she wants to do is sing for you. She ain't afraid of sacrifice in her state of mind. She's living through those 3 chords and the truth. They sing it from their hearts and they feel it in their souls. All they want to do is sing for you. Nothing else could satisfy or change their state of mind. They're living through those 3 chords and the truth. They're making music that speaks to our common state of mind, as we live out those 3 chords and the truth.